Alright, it's randomly fire. It's in the 2, it's in the 1. Hello guys, today we're gonna show you how to take the injector out. It's underneath the intake because this car is called misfire number 2 and number 4. We already changed the ignition coil and spark plug. Check the compressor, but it's still run no good. Checking. The next thing we're gonna change the injector. This car is 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. First thing you're gonna take the intake block out right here. Take it out. You have a screw right here. 2 screws. Take it out for me and remove the air filter box out. Put the boost right here and unlock the clip. For that, show you how to take this hose out like this. It didn't have the strong finger. Use the small screwdriver, this, to unlock the clip. 2 screwdriver, like that. Remove. It's already out. Easy. But be careful. It gets old. It's easy to crack. It's already out. And disconnect the line. I think this gas line, yes, gas line. Unlock the start B bolt and unlock some stuff underneath. See, maybe you have to remove the oil filter too. Let's see, remove the intercooler boost, yeah, something like that. I'll show you how to take it out. Alright, I got the auto body out already. And to lose lose 2 bolts for the intercooler pipes. Underneath, recommend you have to take the cover underneath out. For the throttle body, you have to pull screw right here and inside. It's better to go underneath to see. It's better to use the extension, long extension, easy to take it out like that. The sensor number is 30, something like that. Take it out. Alright, I got a coaster to take it out. Take that out. And after you take the auto body out, you can see the pipe a lot, and that's the bar, small bar to hold the intake. It's number 13 or 12. You have to take that out too, and just go ahead, lose anything and just connect anything, the hose, some stuff like that. Make sure I don't break anything to take it out. See. Alright. out the bracket to hold the intake underneath. This number. Take that out. Alright, I got it. Intakes out. See, this bolt right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 10 right here. So number 10, 6 and 7. After you lose the bolt, you're gonna pull the intake out. Pull the intake out first. You're gonna reconnect everything with this sensor right here somewhere. You're gonna lose the connector. You lose connector and lose the gas line 17 right here too. Alright, see dirty inside, got to clean that thing. Alright, after cleaning, it looks like this. It's not beautiful, but better before. And I got a new injector. When you take it out, take the old one out. New ones look like this. Put the same thing, the one you take it out. You have the lock bit right here. Just put a little bit grease to lubricate. It's easy to put in. I got a new injector from Bosch. Show you the old ones right here. All 4 injectors. It's very dirty. Alright. You put that back and the lock, the injector is locked right here. Right here, lock. Put the same way. I forgot to put this back also. Okay. Alright. See how that goes. See, put the all new injector in. When you put it in, you put the same thing. When you take it out, it's hard to pull. You have to use the plastic hammer to tap, tuck, all the way in. Alright, keep going, almost there. Put everything back together. Alright. Alright, we're gonna put the wire from the injector. Put that back first. Just take the 2 clips right here and 2 right here. Just bring it down a little bit. And it's easy because if you wouldn't take this out to put that first, there's no room underneath. It's crazy. Now almost done. This more quickly.